Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to import and view KML files on Google Earth. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in googleearth.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, which is going in by your email. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the file, view, add, tools, and help. And we also have the search bar where you can go and search for specific areas here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and import and view KML files in Google Earth. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, you need to go and of course open Google Earth on your computer. Then you have a couple of options that you can do this. So basically you can open it, of course, view it in KML, import and everything, by clicking on, of course, we can go and add a new, click on add new project button, which will appear down here, guys. Or, so basically it's new here, you can just click here and click on new, and here create dry project or local KML file. Or you can click on anywhere on Google Earth, take it in the bottom right corner, click on here, and click here. And when you go, it will, of course, you have a pop-up that you can go when you click on an area that you can go and save it to KML. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.